Here comes the town plow. I hope he didn't fuck with my poles. I really hope he didn't fuck with my poles. Well, if my shit's knocked down or destroyed, I know who just did it. Town plow coming by again. After just doing who knows what to my land. It's the day after Thanksgiving. It's before noon. There he goes. Just documenting. I'm gonna have to walk back there and make sure my posts are still up and that he hasn't caused any property damage or been trespassing on my land. I really shouldn't have to worry about this shit. It's fucking exhausting and I'm sick of it. I don't know who plows this guy's driveway. I don't know if he does it or if he hires somebody. But, yeah. But, come here. What the fuck? That isn't going on my land, is it? So... looks like my neighbor uphill from me is pushing snow from his driveway across the road onto my land. Pretty sure that's a no-no. I bet this guy up here is gonna do the same thing. As if my land is like the town landfill or something to dump on. Super thrilled about that. Well, we have an immediate lawsuit coming up with the town. They've pushed over a bunch of these poles and are pushing snow past the line onto my land. There were 10 poles. Right now I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are still up, so they've pushed down half the poles. And they were in the ground with concrete. Here's the bottom of one of them. It's the bottom of one of the poles. And they're just pushing my poles over. This is absolutely trespass and property damage. And it's the day after Thanksgiving, so I'm guessing if I call a lawyer again for the 4th time to try to get a person on the phone who will write a letter to the town, that I'm not going to get anybody today, but I'm furious. This pole is pushed over. There's a pole missing right here. There's a pole here. There's a pole here that's been pushed out of the ground. And here, so the plow truck is seeing the poles and just knocking them the fuck over. As you can see, they've been hit. That one's been hit. That one's been hit. They're hitting the poles to push snow onto my property now and trying to knock them over. This one's already been knocked over. I don't believe this shit. These are concreted in here. And the town plow is just hitting them as if they're not here and knocking them over intentionally. This is insane. So I'm furious, and I'm gonna have all of this removed if I have to do it myself with an excavator in the spring, and I'm gonna put up a privacy fence even if I have to do that by hand myself too. I am furious right now. The tree that I planted right here is severely damaged. Here's the tree I planted right here. It's severely damaged. It's been split right here and been knocked over by the plow. And I'm fucking furious right now. I'm so fucking mad. I can't tell you how mad I am right now. It is hard to describe how angry I am right now. This tree is absolutely on my property and it's absolutely damaged. And this is the very first snowstorm. So, unless I have a lawyer write a letter to the town, like immediately, which should have happened like a month ago. He's gonna keep doing this, and he's gonna keep damaging my shit. He's knocked over my fucking posts with his plow, and he's damaged my tree. In 2 places, it's damaged up here too. Now imagine this tree cost $200 at a nursery. How would you feel? I plucked it out of my back 40 and planted it here, but imagine how you would feel. I hit a post right here and it's missing. This fuck is ramming into my posts and plucking them out of the ground. I can't believe this. The post went right along here. You can see what he did. This is the end of one of my posts. Right here in the snow. I'm fucking furious. And I am gonna sue the town over this. This has been going on for 9 years now, and I am super fucking pissed. What the ever-loving fuck? Who do you think you are? Holy fucking shit. Look at what they've done to my tree and my posts. Apparently I didn't use enough concrete. This prick is plowing into my posts. So last year I sent the town a letter saying that any sign they destroyed was going to be $50, and this post right here that I just pulled out of the snowbank had a sign on it that said no dumping and no trespassing. These posts were probably closer to right here, and were just mushed into this snowbank. So do I want to dig through here to try to find this sign that I'm not going to find until next spring now? Not really. It's in here somewhere. I don't think I'm going to find it with my foot. But I am livid. This asshole is pushing snow onto my property. Which is exactly what these posts are supposed to prevent from happening. And here's another post right here. Here it is. It's in the snowbank. And I can't even move it. Holy fuck, I'm mad. What a fucking asshole. What a piece of shit. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but look at this, it's bent. See that? The plow did that. I'm gonna start charging them $200 a post. And I will file court papers immediately. This is ridiculous. Fuck you, dude. These posts are obvious and the sign was obvious. The sign that said no dumping, no trespassing, stay out. What the ever-loving fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go look it up, but pretty sure this is a big nope. You don't get to push snow from your driveway across the road and onto my land and down the embankment. No, pretty sure that's not fucking copacetic. Why does everybody think that my land is a dumping ground for their personal shit? What the fuck? Fuck. What the fuck? Well, I've been shoveling out here for I don't know how fucking long. And finally found this pole absolutely flattened as if somebody drove right over it intentionally. And I had to dig it out and put it back up, and now I'm removing all of this snowbank and putting it back in front of the posts where it belongs. And I just found my missing sign. And it is right here. See, plain as day, and nice bright red paint. No dumping, no trespassing, no hunting, stay out. And some asshole just ran it down intentionally and destroyed it, so that's fun. I'm gonna figure out how to put this back on the post again. And I'm charging the town $50 anyway because they ran it the fuck over, and last year sent them a letter saying that any missing signs were going to be $50 on their dime. Well, this is definitely a missing sign because it just took me, I don't know how long to find it. I've been out here for a bit shoveling. I've done all that work. So that's maybe 15 feet that I've been shoveling back over into here. Pretty pissed, and sent the town an email telling them to kindly inform the town road crew that if they keep doing this, they're going to get a lawsuit on their hands. Because I am fucking pissed right about now.